So when we were packing up yesterday and getting the last of the things from the old house, we realized that one of the things we're going to miss the most is the rosemary. And we had these gorgeous rosemary plants. I'll put a picture of it in the next slide, but I've loved having fresh rosemary right there. And even though we'll be able to plant it really quickly, I know that it's going to take a long time to grow. So we got 2 giant black garbage bags filled with rosemary. Let me show you. So right now, Chad has been processing it, just like washing it, kind of soaking it and scrubbing off any of the sap or critters or anything that might have gotten onto it. So all of this rosemary, I have no clue. Besides saving it, what would you do with it? So this is TSRI switching places. I am literally behind the camera. I know this is very scary. And Chad is in the kitchen prepping rosemary. Let's check it out. So yes, he does know how to cook and clean and garden and prep veggies. And today we're actually preserving the rosemary that we just picked out of the garden of our old house that we just sold. And we got 2 full black garbage bags full of rosemary. And let me show you what that looks like. That is all of the rosemary. I think it got a little dark in there. There you go. Now we are trying to figure out, after Chad's done cleaning it, what we should do with it. But basically all he's doing is running it under cool water. And first we soak it in the sink and then just kind of run your fingers over it to get off any of the sap or dust and debris that might have gotten onto the rosemary when it was planted in the ground. So do you have any ideas what you want to make with it, Chad?
Ice cream.
Ice cream? So
steak.
Rosemary ice cream and steak. We did just get some steak at Costco, so that works out great. So we have steak, which I gave my grill away when we moved because I thought, well, we're moving, we'll get a new grill, and the igniter doesn't work anyway. I'm totally regretting it now, but I'm going to prepare some delicious steak on our new grill pan in our new house, and we're also going to do some oven roasted corn, which Chad wants to be a little bit spicy, so maybe some Mexican seasonings or some cayenne pepper.
Or rosemary.
Or rosemary. Tell me what you think.